dreamed since I was small. Every pony will gather round, see I look lovely in my gown. What they don't know is that I have fooled them all. This day was going to be perfect, the kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small. But instead of having cake with all my friends to celebrate my wedding bells, they may not ring for me at all. I could care less about the dress, I won't partake in any cake. Vows, well, I'll be lying when I say that through any kind of weather I'll want us to be together. The truth is I don't care for him at all. No, I do not love the groom. In my heart there is no room, but I still want him to be all mine. Must escape before it's too late, find a way to save the day. Hope I'll be lying if I say I don't fear that I may lose him to one who wants to use him, not care for love and cherish him each day. For I also love the groom, all my thoughts he does consume. Oh, shining armor, I'll be there very Finally, the moment has arrived for me to be one lucky bride. Oh, the wedding we won't make, he'll end up marrying a fake. Shining armor will be mine, all mine. You rock! Woohoo! My name is Pinkie Pie. Hello. And I am here to say, how you doing? I'm gonna make you smile and I will brighten up your day. It doesn't matter now. What's up? If you are sad or blue. Howdy. 'Cause cheering up my friends is just what Pinkie's here to do.
In the Rainbow Factory, fears and hearts come true. In the Rainbow Factory, where a single soul gets through. In the Rainbow Factory, where fears and hearts come true. In the Rainbow Factory, where a single soul gets through.
The Matrix.
In a simple facility. Come true. In the Rainbow Factory, where a single soul gets through. In the Rainbow Factory, where fears and hearts come true. In the Rainbow Factory, where a single soul gets through.